Hello everyone. Matt here at Total Package Detailing. What we're looking at here is a 2003 BMW Z4. Here is the finished product. And would you just look at that thing once. 2003, guys. We re-dyed the top. That's why it's nice and deep black like that. We repainted the bottom side skirts there so that those little stone chips that get up underneath there look really good. Also put some paint on the front bumper, filled a whole bunch of other stone chips. We really intensely polished the entire exterior. We've also got 2 ceramic coatings on the paintwork. That's Crystal Serum Ultra and Gtechniq EXO version 5. We also ceramic coated the wheels, the headlights, all the emblems. We also machine polished and ceramic coated the glass, the wiper arms, and the cowl area. And so as you can see, this thing is just ridiculous. Look at the lights. We got those lights nice and clear again. Look at all the emblems. We even took the time to get inside the keyhole and make the keyholes better, inside the emblems themselves. Absolutely stellar. And so as always, if you want to get this done, this is called our Pinnacle package. This one got a few upgrades above and beyond. And if you get the Pinnacle package, you're going to get all the prep work, our 2 ceramic coatings, the glass coated. You also get the wheel faces coated. You can optionally upgrade and get things like convertible top coatings or full wheel coatings or stone chip repair. You know where to reach us. We're at 920-450-2085.